I hope you're all well. Let's talk about iron. This is a topic I get asked about a lot in my clinic, and often patients have iron deficiency anemia, so low levels of iron, and it's helpful to just know a bit more about it so that if you have symptoms or somebody that you know has symptoms, you can share this information with them. Now, why is iron important? So we need iron in the body for growth and development, and we also need it to maintain our blood cells and keep them healthy so that they can transport oxygen around the body to all our bodily tissues. So the symptoms of iron deficiency anemia and low iron can be quite mild, and therefore it is important to know what to look out for. Some of the common symptoms are things like feeling very tired and weakness, cold hands and feet. You might have palpitations or a change in your heart rate. Some people notice that they have brittle nails and brittle hair. You might have a sore tongue. You might notice that you've got some dizziness, for example. These are all symptoms that can contribute to having a low iron level, so do look out for those. The causes of low iron levels and iron deficiency anemia can be pregnancy. We can also have blood loss, so if you've got heavy periods, or another reason why you might be losing blood, for example, an ulcer in the stomach, cancers can also cause blood loss. Then that level of blood loss can lead to a low iron level as well. You might also have poor gut absorption. So if you're having iron orally, but you're not absorbing that iron, that can be an issue. And also just a really poor diet, which is not rich in iron, can also lead to low iron levels. So how can we prevent ourselves from having low iron levels? Really important to look at those causes and to try and combat them. So if you have blood loss, obviously try and treat that. If you've got heavy periods, see your doctor and see what they can do about that as well. If you're not taking enough iron via your diet, then really important to look at iron-rich foods. So you want to look at red meats, pulses, fortified pastas, cereals, that kind of thing. Really important to keep your iron levels up as well. Raisins, apricots, all rich in iron amongst others, but also to think about how we can help absorb that iron a bit better. So we know that vitamin C can help to absorb the iron a bit more. So if you're taking supplements, always take them with orange juice. If you're going to be thinking about your diet, you can do things like orange juice, oranges, fruits, broccoli, foods that are high in vitamin C to help absorb that iron better in your gut. So I hope you found that video helpful, and if you do have any symptoms of iron deficiency anemia or low iron and you're worried, you can always reach out to your GP, but hopefully the video helped you to understand iron deficiency a little better and how to prevent it and how to treat it. So if you think somebody else might find it useful, do share this video with them, and we'll speak soon. Bye.